Rob McMaster. I live in Glossodia in the Hawkesbury area. As you can see, I live in a bushy area. We had some trees die and exposed the house to the sun, and I was hitting retirement, so I could justify looking at the cost of solar and utilising it fully. Yeah, so when I decided to get solar, got online and did the typical search, and we ended up getting 4 people out. There was only 3 companies that came out. The other one just did it by near maps. Also, their quote from Penrith Solar was nicely detailed, and I could understand it a lot. The others were just verbal things over the phone, scribbled down on bits of paper, weren't presented very well. We can see when our swimming pool filtration turns on. We can see when the actual jet vac in the pool turns on. Makes you more aware. We actually reduced our overnight power. It's also it's a good pool type thing. Yeah, when the installation team came out, they were very professional. We actually had to run a cable from the house all the way to the electrical board, which is something like 50 metres away, and I had ideas to do that, and they were very cooperative and went along with my ideas and persevered with it all, and yeah, it was a good experience.